Kelly from ABQ Sewing Studios in Strathroy. And have you ever thought about quilting your own quilts, getting them finished on a Longarm machine by yourself? You've got a big pile of quilt tops there that are waiting to go to the Longarmer. Well, we now have a program where you could actually come in and rent time on our frame and finish those quilt tops yourself. So what the we're calling it frame certification. And once you're certified, then you can come in and do your own quilts. So the certification is going to cover things like threading the machine, winding a bobbin, all the basic mechanical functions of the machine, and basically how to do some freehand machine quilting with the frame. So the certification class, we have them scheduled for October the 14th from 1 until 5, and that's a Friday. Friday, November the 18th from 1 till 5, and Saturday, December the 3rd from 12 until 4. Now we keep the certification classes small so that everybody gets a chance to work on the machine and actually learn its function. And the cost of the class is $200. So after you've taken the certification class, you can rent the machine. Now the rental is $25 an hour, and you're able to rent it anytime that I'm here. So if there is any issues, there'll be somebody here to as a safety net, and I can help you out with any issues you might be having with the machine or with your quilt. And then as a bonus, after you have purchased 10 hours of rental on the frame, you're going to get a free hour. So to register for a class, just follow the link below this YouTube video, and there'll also be a link on the website at shop.amongbrendasquilts.com, and you can sign up for those classes. So come on in and get those quilt tops finished.